what we need to focus on is becoming aware of ourselves and becoming aware of our environment. Your words is holding you back, friend. You need to stop speaking negative things about yourself and negative things about your life. So in today's video, I'm going to explain to you guys how deep it is when it comes to speaking words. A lot of people think words is just words. It doesn't matter to them. They do anything. The reaction is just a reaction. They say whatever. They act like whatever. But I'm here to tell you that your words have power. Even the Bible tells you life and death is in the power of the tongue. Instead of speaking negative about yourself, the first thing that you need to focus on is you need to focus on removing those negative words with positive affirmation. So every time you catch yourself saying something negative, I feel so lazy today. Instead of saying that, say, I'm in the process of creating the life that I want. If you feel like saying, I'm so fat, say, I'm in the process of losing weight. Literally, whenever you feel like you're about to say something negative about yourself, you need to automatically take that negative thought and replace it with a positive affirmation instead. And obviously, we have so many thoughts that comes in our head every day, and we're not going to be able to control every single thought. It would be literally impossible. But what we need to focus on is to start becoming aware of ourselves and becoming aware of our environment, becoming aware of the things that we consume on a daily basis and the things that we say. It's another saying that says that birds of a feather flocks together. You also have to keep in mind of your surrounding, your friends, your peers. How do they act? What do they listen to? Because all of these things, they actually affect your life. People listen to music, it's just music, just a beat. But deep down inside, it's not just a beat, because everybody has a conscious and a subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is like a garden. If you take a seed and you plant in that garden, it doesn't matter if it's an apple or an orange, it's gonna return back to you exactly what you give it. It doesn't judge. It doesn't matter if you plant negative things, it's going to give you back negativity. If you plant positivity, it's going to bring you back positive things. Sometimes I feel unmotivated, I feel tired, I feel like I don't want to do nothing. But you know what I do? I don't dwell in that state of mind. I get myself up. I say, Marley, you could do it. I'll put on some music to hype myself up, because those two energy, negativity and positivity, cannot live in the same place, on the same environment. It's just like a sick person cannot be sick and healthy at the same time. It doesn't work like that. And faith is the opposite of fear. Every time we catch ourselves saying things that, I don't feel like I'm good enough for me to do it, or you feel like you're comparing yourself to other people, you are in the state of fear. Let's stop operating in a state of fear and start operating in a state of faith, because God is good and God is all powerful, and He wants us to act in boldness. He wants us to pursue our dream in boldness and be bold in everything that we do. I know I might just be ramping to you guys and I'm just talking, but literally listen to what I'm saying. Really pay attention to the words that come out your mouth and the things that you say. So in today's assignment for you guys, if you are the type of person that you feel like you're always negative, and even if you're not always negative, if you feel like you be saying things that about yourself that's not the design of what God intends you to be, if you feel like you be saying things that's not in the path that you actually want to be in life, I encourage you to start using your word in replacing your negative thoughts with positive thoughts and positive motion. Also, another thing that you guys can do is words of affirmation. Words of affirmation is extremely important and extremely helpful. Wake up in the morning, if you have like a little note, you could put it in your mirror, you could put it beside your bed when you wake up, or you could go ahead, take a little sticky note and put it right on top of your phone, right there by the nightstand, because you know that everybody, I'm guilty of it, when we wake up in the morning, the first thing we do is grab our phone. You could take a sticky note, and put your sticky note right on your phone, and every day you wake up and you just repeat your affirmation, so it could get you in the mood of attracting good things, good people, good vibe, good money, and everything that is good for you. This is my sticky note, and this is what I write on it. I write, I trust in my ability to create value, build a brand, and service others with consistency. I see myself confidently running my business, creating empowering content, and helping others grow because of my work. I am a powerful creator. I speak with clarity, purpose, and value. My work uplifts others and transforms lives. This is what I have on my sticky note, and I'm telling you guys, when you are saying it, when you are saying your affirmation, say it with faith, say it with boldness, say it with emotion, because when you use your emotion is what helps you penetrate your subconscious mind and helps you keep the good things. There's so many things that I could go into details about and talk about the subconscious mind, but always focus on good and positive feelings. Always put yourself in good energy. You know what I'm saying? Another example, and I'm done. After this one, I'm done, right? Like me, I'm the type of person, let's say I'm placed in a situation and it's nothing I can do about it, right? For example, I'm stuck in traffic and the line is long, and I'm talking about super long. Now my first question is, what can I do about this situation? I'm stuck. It's really nothing I can do. I can't skip the cars in front of me. Everybody's just standing in the line. I'm about to be late for work. I can either start cussing, getting upset, frustrated, or I could be like, well, I'm late. I'm just gonna stay in traffic and I'm gonna wait until everything start moving so I could get to work on time. But the minute you start getting frustrated, being mad, trying to find ways or whatever, maybe skipping people, this and this and that, you might end up getting into a car accident or whatever the case might be. So that's just like a basic example. Whatever the situation is, I always ask myself, Marley, what can you do about this particular situation? If I can do something about it, let's say for example, I'm low on money and I need to pay my rent or something like that, and let's say my job laid me off, what can I do about it? I have 2 weeks before I pay my rent. I could apply for another job. I could do Uber, DoorDash. I could do some clients' nails. I could post more content so I could get some affiliate links money or something. I'm gonna make my brain work, and I'm gonna make myself think like, Marley, what can you do about it? I'm not gonna sit there and dwell in my misery and not do anything and just be like, fuck it, I can't do anything about it. I hate my life. Oh, life is hard. I'm always gonna do this. I'm always gonna do that. Sometimes our excuses are valid. It's not that they're not valid, but deep down inside, we also have to remember that we have the capability of changing our current situation and turning it into something beautiful. So anyway, that's it, you guys, for the video. I know I was talking and all over the place. I just turned on the camera and I was like, let me record it. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one, and let me know in the comments below, how are you going to be changing your behaviors and your thinking, your thoughts into positivity, because it's all about positivity here. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.